Hey there, welcome back. In this short video, I'm going to update you on what's been going on with me and why there wasn't a video regarding the Quill Tee this last week and show you mine, and I hope to see yours. So here is where I'm at with my Quill Tee, and I didn't get a lot done. That's the back actually, but I didn't get a whole lot done last week because I've been sick. After 4.5 years, I finally got COVID. And after 8 days of dealing with that, I finally feel better today and tested negative. Yay! So back on track for this coming week. I still need to do some more colors so you can see what I've got going here so far. But I want to show you how I'm going to use Barber cords in order to try this on because I don't want it to be crop topped. And I can follow the measurement on the schematic on the pattern to see how many inches I need to knit. But I want to try it on and see how it's going to fit me and how it's going to flow and just how it's going to sit on my shoulders and go over the girls and all that. So let me show you how to put your work on a barber cord, and then we'll try it on and see how things are going to go. And then I'll show you how to take your work back off the barber cord. It's really fast. So let's get on to that. Okay, I have stopped, kind of under the arm. You can stop at the beginning of the round, whatever works best for you. And I have a barber cord here that is it's just a piece of silicone tubing. And the one that I have is long enough to go around the circumference of my sweater. So I'm just going to take the needle and push it into the tubing. And I'm going to push it in there honestly as far as I can. Because what you want to do is kind of bunch that up on there so that when you pull, it kind of creates a suction kind of action and it won't come out. Because then you're going to just simply pull on the other end of this and let the stitches go onto the tubing. And you can, if you can get it going, it's easier with a smaller circumference and a smaller number, not several hundred stitches. But you can leave your marker on there. Everything should stay where it is. And you're just going to pull that needle through and the stitches are all going to go onto this cord. And I probably should have I just don't have another color of one that would show up better that's the same length. So my apologies that you can't see the cord as well as maybe I would like, if it were a white cord or neon orange or something like that, but you get the idea. So I'm just going to scooch all the stitches onto it. And if you just want to make sure that you're not pulling the tubing all the way off your needle. So if you need to do it in little sections, that's fine. Ideally, you could just go whoosh, and here we go, it's coming. All right, once you get the cord all the way through, you can just break this seal, just kind of push on that with your thumb, and that should come right off. Okay, you just don't want to let go of this end until you have all your stitches evenly distributed around there. And mine's a little bunchy, so I'm just going to take a moment to more evenly distribute all the stitches all the way around my cord. Okay, I have all the stitches on here all the way around, and my cord is plenty long enough, but I went ahead and just tied a loose overhand knot in the end just for my own peace of mind, and now I'm ready to go try on my sweater. Okay, I'm back and I'm trying on my sweater. It's nice so far. It fits really well over the front, and I'll just stand up for you a little bit. So here's my t-shirt, and it's down, I think I want it. Here's my waist of the top of my pants, roughly about right here. So I guess if I was going to be a crop, it could stop there. But I'd really rather have it, maybe I'd rather have it longer. I'm thinking maybe about that much longer. So that's probably 4 or 5 inches more. Must knit faster. Okay, when I am finished and I'm ready to put my needles back on, I'm going to do the exact same thing where I'm just going to mash that tubing back onto the tip of my needle, and I really push it on there as much as I possibly can. And then I'm just going to do that same thing where I'm going to slide the stitches around the tube and work it so that my needle goes back in. Okay, I'm getting it. How I'm doing this with a relatively small diameter barber cord and a large number of stitches as I'm just kind of moving the bunches of stitches as I go around. And it just takes a little bit of patience, but it is way, way faster than, scooching them on like this is way faster than doing it, trying to peck them off waste yarn. That is for sure. So just have a little patience with it. And hey, leave me a comment down below if you know why it's called a barber cord. I don't know. Do barbers do something interesting with it? And I just heard about this a couple of years ago. I mean, it hasn't been, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's been a thing for very long. So if you know the origin of this or who was clever enough to come up with this suggestion, I'd love to hear about it. Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And meanwhile, I'll continue scooching. Okay, I have my needles back on and I'm ready to continue on for a little while longer. Again, I would love to see your work. Tag me on Instagram at Purl_together. Show me in the Ravelry group. And this week, since I'm feeling better, I hope to put up some prize categories for the knit along because I don't know why I forgot all about it. So drop me a comment down below what categories you'd like to see. But I'm thinking places I knit. People take their knitting with them. I know that sometimes less sweater knitting, unless, you can carry a big tote where you go. Places you knit, pets that hang out with you while you knit, Netflix knitting. Show me what you're watching, if it's appropriate, of course. Yeah, so there's at least 3 categories. And then I'll probably just have like a random participation prize. Thanks for showing me your work in progress. And the prizes are going to be knitting themed stickers that will be in a card from me. And then I will put up also this week a grand prize package because I have some fantastic yarn that's been given to me by some amazing patrons. So thank you for that. All right, I hope you're doing well. I'm glad I'm feeling a little better. I'm feeling a lot better, truth be told. Emotional support kitties help. And the holidays are coming. I look forward to seeing you every day in December for my ongoing vlog with Anne Frost of the I Thought I Knew How podcast. So look for that beginning December 1st, and I will have a couple more Quill Tee videos for you in between now and then. Take care.